You're looking at the 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport from the all-new Mobile Mitsubishi. With ample cargo area, comfortable seating, automatic climate control, and more, you'll love everything about it inside and out. The 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. They say it's perfectly sized for adventure. Well, let's see about that.
How are you? Doing good. So you are ready to play?
I am ready to go. Farewell year.
That's right.
The opening night was last night, and we are in the Mitsubishi Outlander.
And it is so nice. This is my first ride along. Tell me about this car.
This is the new Outlander. Comes with third row seating, standard. You can fit up to 7 people.
Yeah.
Plus, it's only $289 a month.
No way. And you can fit your dog, Captain.
Yes, my dog can fit in here too. Yeah, and that's not a lease, by the way. You own it for $289.
No way.
Yep, comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty and 5 years unlimited roadside assistance. They have lightning fast credit approval, so you're going to get in. You're going to be able to get your brand new car for probably less than you're paying for your new one or your used one now.
Yeah.
It's going to be warranted, right? You're going to get roadside assistance, and they're going to get you back out on the road in your new Mitsubishi.
No way. Well, since we're driving this new Mitsubishi, I figure we could take a detour.
Yeah, we're actually in the parking lot, but
yeah.
Where are we?
Let's go see what we got.
Us?
Is that?
Are you going on the field?
Yeah. So.
Oh my gosh, you are driving on the. That
is that no way?
That's Baby Bear and David Haney, the voice of the Bay Bears.
Hey!
Look at that, Baby Bear helping David get in.
Hi, Baby Bear. Hey,
that is
David.
awesome, man.
Doing great. How are you doing? Hey, thanks for letting me drive on the field. Opening weekend this weekend. Last night was the first game.
Tomorrow we have Bark in the Park Sunday. We have another Sunday fun day where kids can play catch on the field, pre-game, post-game, run the bases. And on Sundays this season, you can also bring your dogs out to the park.
You have a cool ticket special going on right now with a little bit of history behind it.
That's right. So the Mobile Bay Bears debuted in Mobile, Alabama in 1997. So for $19.97, we're offering per month, $19.97 per month. You get every home game at Hank Aaron Stadium for that amount.
No way.
Per month.
Wow.
When you do the math on that, that comes out to like $1.43 per game.
We have more fireworks shows than we ever had before. We have bobblehead giveaways, multiple bobblehead giveaways. We're doing all this great stuff for the Mobile community.
That's going to be awesome. But if we're driving on the field, we've got to end with a classic song, right?
Oh, yeah.
How about some Take Me Out to the Ball Game?
Count us down.
Count it down?
Yep.
All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back, 'cause it's root for the Bay Bears. If they don't win, it's a shame. Or it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game.